Hi, my name is Josh Lockheed and I'm the training evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today I'm going to show you how to create reports in QuoteWerks Web that can be exported to a text file or CSV and manipulated in Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. For the purposes of today's video, we will build a report that shows all open quotes within a given time frame. To create a report, navigate to Reports on the left navigation panel. This opens the Reports window. This window lists all available reports and gives you the ability to create new reports and edit existing ones. As mentioned, we are going to build a report today, then this is done by clicking on the New button. The report we are building today will prompt the user to select a date range and will output any quotes that were created in that date range that have a document status of open. To build our report, we will start by giving it a name, which in our case will be Open Quotes Report. We can also add a description and assign it to a report category if we would like to do so. Reports are based on filters, and to configure the filter for this report, we will click on the Filter tab. This is where we will choose the report type, designate which tables to report on, and build our filter expressions to determine what will be included in the report output. Because we are building a documents report, we will select the report type of documents report, but as you can see, there are many other report types that you can build, including bundles reports, contacts reports, purchasing reports, and product reports, among others. Since the report we are building is a documents report and we will be working with fields from the document headers table, we will select Force Inclusion of Document Headers table. Now we are ready to begin building our report filters, and this is done in the Build Filter Expressions section. To begin, we will select the field we want to filter by, and to insert a field, we will click on the Field button. Since we want to prompt the user to select a date range of when documents were created, we will use the Document Headers table and select Doc Date as our field using the drop-down menu. This represents the date that the document was created. We will then select an operator, which in this case will be greater or equal, as we want to include documents with a doc date that is after the start date of the report, which we will give the user the ability to select. To do this, we will click on the magnifying glass next to the value field. We will then select Prompt for Value and input what we want our user prompt to be. In this case, we want this to be Start Date. We will click OK and then OK one more time to save this filter. Next, we want to create our prompt for the end date of the report. To do so, we will insert the AND operator, as we want the reports to also filter based on the user's selection of an end date. We will click on Field one more time to configure the prompt for the user, asking them to select the end date of the report. We will again choose Doc Date as our field. We will also select the operator less or equal, as we want all documents that were created before this date but after the start date that the user will select. For value, we will click back on the magnifying glass, select Prompt for Value. This time our prompt will be End Date. We will click OK and OK one more time, and the filter will be added to our list of filter expressions. Because we only want open quotes to be included on the report, we will add another filter that filters for just open quotes. To do so, we will add the AND operator and click on Field. This time we will select Doc Status, use the Equal to operator, and input the value of Open. When we click OK, the filter is added to our list of filter expressions. We will build one last filter to only display quotes on the report, so we will again use the AND operator and click on Field. We will select Doc Type as our field, use the operator Equal to, and input the value of quote. We will click OK, and as you can see, it is added to our list of filter expressions. Now that our report filters have been built, we will click on the Output tab to select which fields we want included in our report. We could also choose which fields to sort the report by. We will leave the defaults and select our export format, which in this case will be CSV, delimited, but as you can see, we could alternatively export this to a text file. To run our report, we will click on Save and Export. The prompt appears for us to select the start date, which we will set to the beginning of the year, and click OK. We are then prompted to input the end date, so we will select Today and click OK. The CSV file is then downloaded to our computer, and we can open it to view the report. As you can see, the report lists all open quotes that were created between the date ranges we selected. If we go back into QuoteWerks, change the export format to text tab delimited, and click Save and Export, we can follow the same process as before, selecting our date range. When we do, a text file is downloaded. If we open the text file, we can see this is the same information that was included on our CSV report. We will copy this information to our clipboard, open Google Sheets, and paste it into our sheet. Just like with our Excel output, we can then apply calculations to the report, like adding a sum of the grand total for all quotes. We will return back to QuoteWerks and click Save and Close. The Open Quotes report is now listed on our list of reports, and anytime we want to run the report, all we need to do is select it and click on Export. As you have seen, we just created a report from scratch in just a few minutes, and the output can be exported to whatever tool you feel the most comfortable using, including Microsoft Excel and Google Sheets. If you'd like to learn more about the reporting feature in QuoteWerks Web, please see our help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.